5. All right, guys, we are down to our 5 last lessons. Today, lesson 115 is all about area. So we are going to be working with different fun shapes and just doing some algebraic thinking today. So guys, make sure you've done your facts practice, your mental math warm-up, and let's hop on to what we're going to do today. So we know that the area of a rectangle is found by multiplying its length times its width. This is not a new concept for you smart kids. So area is equal to length times width. We agree with that. But what happens when you have multiple shapes within one shape? So what we're going to do here is we are actually going to kind of subdivide up our shape. So if you look at this shape right here, we've got this. I don't know if this is gonna let me do that. All right, looks like this, right? Kind of. It's a really squiggly line there. Sorry about that. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. We've got 3 feet here, 4 feet here. This is 5 feet, and this is 7 feet, right? So if we want to find the area of the hexagon, so it says 2 rectangles are joined to form a hexagon. What is the area of the hexagon? Well, the first thing we want to do here is we want to make sure that we are subdividing or dividing up our shape into 2 shapes, right? So here we have shape 1 and shape 2. Now the shape of the rectangle, let's see if I can make this any smaller. All right. Yep. So here we have this large rectangle right here. And when we multiply its area, 7 times 5, this area is 35 square units. This area is 3 times 4, and that's going to be 12. So we're going to add up 35 and 12, and we're going to get the combined area of 47 square units, or squared feet squared, right? And that's literally the whole concept. That's it. So when you look at your lesson practice, make sure that you copy each figure on your paper. I still do this no matter how complicated or how easy the shape is. I still draw it on paper so that I can divide it with my pencil. So I want you guys to divide this up into the different rectangles, and I want you to add the areas of the shaded parts, and then I want you to do your mixed practice, and then I want you to go have an awesome day. That's it. Guys, tomorrow we're going to be doing lesson 116, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.